Hey guys, we're back with Test and Tech, and today we are going to be cleaning my dog Tiggy's. Her. Come here, baby. Now get in the tub. Get in the tub. Oh, you're trying to kick me out, huh? Alright, wait. Stop. Tiggy, stop. Watching the royal bathtub. Don't try to jump out. Oops. So get this. Sponsored by Skip, Flea, and Tick. Something. So I need to get you in the water. Let's get you wet. Pour a little bit down you with the spots you've been biting your fur on, because you probably have something on spot. Let's scrub. You've been biting right there, cheeky, so I'm gonna get that tail too. Let's try not to get in the booty, because I'm cleaning all about your legs. Okay. My butt showing. I feel like my pants are falling down. Guys, go in the comment section below and tell me if my pants were falling down. So you gotta get you right here. Let me know any more fleas or ticks, because you were biting right here. Look how. Yep, my pants are down. Yep. I saw in the mirror my pants were down. I need a belt. Pull my shirt down. It's okay. Feel good. Except your head. You stink. I'm gonna do a scrub. Lift your foot up, chickies. Lift your foot up. Okay. Good girl. Lift your foot up. Good. Tap. Alright, we got that foot and the other foot. We got the basic maneuver scrubbing. Fingernail style. Ooh, I think you're ready to get. Yeah, let's wash you off. Chicken, you're not done there. Do not try to jump out. Nope. I see you. In your head. Trying to get around you. Nope. Well, keep on shifting. You're not going to get out. No, you're not trying to jump. I can see you trying to crouch down. Like ready to. Nope. I see you. Stop. Nope. Chicken, we're not ready. We're almost done. Nope. Stop shifting. Nope, stop shooting. Nope, we're going nowhere. Alright, you're professionally clean. Now let me close this so you cannot escape. How you fell? I gotta hurry up. She might jump out. Oh shit, parents. Okay. Gotta get you up. Say hi. You scared of the water. This is so cute. This is how I always wash it. It's okay. Good. It's okay, chickies. Now you have no more ticks or fleas. Her name is Jiggy because we got it from some Spanish people. We did not want to change her name. Oh my god, I got peed on myself so bad because she's so wet. Look. Oh my god. What are you doing? Chickies? Come here, what are you doing? Chickies, what are you doing? Stop running away from me. I saw you. No. Chickies, what are you doing? She's like this, look. Shoot. Well, guys, what's going on? Come here, chickies. Get over here. Well, then I'll see you back later. I'm about to clean her off. Bye. Always a chance to stay a chance.
Is that it?